So I sell vintage Gucci for a living. So you could say, I know what Gucci looks like, I know what it feels like, I also know what it smells like. But what does it taste like? Well, today I'm going to find out. Because look what arrived for me from Italy today. Inside this box are shortbread cookies from Gucci Osteria in Florence, Italy. So guys, I hope you stick around because this is my very first unboxing video. Together we'll open this box and see what's included. And of course we'll be doing a taste test. And we'll be asking a very important question. Are these €35 cookies really worth the price? So if you don't know, Gucci Osteria is a collaboration between the famous Florentine-based fashion house Gucci and the 3 Michelin-star chefs Massimo Bottura. And Gucci Osteria began in 2018, based in Florence, Italy, part of the Gucci Garden, which has exhibition galleries, retail space, and of course the restaurant itself. Now, following the success of the Florentine store, Gucci Osteria was later opened in Tokyo and South Korea, and each location relies very heavily on Gucci's beautiful aesthetics. There's rich forest greens, beautiful floral wallpaper, velvet seating, and custom porcelain dishware by Richard Ginori. But if you can't afford to visit these destinations, then don't worry, because Gucci Osteria will deliver select items to your door. These products include seasonal panettone, artisanal cantucci, cookies, chocolates, pantofores, panforte, and so much more. But guys, you have to be really quick because they usually sell out within a matter of days. So I went for the Flora cookie collection. And if you're a fan of Gucci, you will instantly recognize the beautiful Flora print on these items. Now, according to legend, when Princess Grace of Monaco visited the Gucci store in Rome, Rodolfo Gucci suggested that she take a gift. What did the princess want? Well, how about a scarf? Something with a floral design. There was a problem though. The Gucci store didn't have anything like that in stock. So what Rodolfo did? He contacted the famous artist Vittorio Accornero and asked for his help. Now he didn't have much time, but within a few days, Accornero created a beautiful Flora design. It was an absolute masterpiece, and he did it in only a few days. Now the design featured 43 different species in 37 different colours, and it instantly became an iconic smash hit. The design appears on everything from silk stoles such as this one. Look how beautiful that is. It even appears on items such as this fan. And there's even an example on this cute little keyring in the shape of a Gucci jacket bag. Look how cute that is. And of course it's mentioned in this book, The Art of Silk by Gucci. But considering how iconic and successful this design was, surely it's going to be a challenge to capture the essence of that design in a cookie. I took a look at the ingredients and it's mostly wheat flour, double O of course, butter, egg yolk, milk powder, icing sugar with some natural flavourings of orange and lemon, and Madagascar vanilla. These are fairly standard shortbread ingredients, so how is that going to stack up against the beautiful Flora design? So are we ready? Now I'm super curious to know what's inside, because the website, it doesn't even tell you how many cookies are there, and it doesn't tell you the weight. But look at this big box. Is that all cookies? I'm so excited guys, I can't wait. So what have we got inside? We've got wrapping paper, some more wrapping paper. Oh look, here's the tin. I'm going to take it out very carefully. So it's actually quite a small tin, I would say, for such a big box. Oh, we've got this cute little shopping bag, little gift bag, in this gorgeous Gucci green. Look at that, that's alright. But let's take a look at these cookies now. Ooh. Oh. We've got this gorgeous tin. There's something stuck on the bottom. Let me try and get rid of it. we've got this little booklet here, which was the net weight for one cookie, according to this, is 37 grams. Okay, so are you ready? Let's open them up. Let's count them out. We got one, each one individually wrapped. 2, 3 cookie. Oh, this one's broken. Oh, I'll eat that one first. 4, 5, and 6 cookies. But look how gorgeous the design is. I mean, that's really something special. Now here's a plate I've prepared. They do smell delicious. I can smell them. They smell fantastic. As you can see, I've chosen the butterfly, but how does that compare to the butterfly on the scarf? Shall we take a quick look? Now, as you can see, I've got my scarf here, and I can see the butterfly here. So let's take a look at them. It's almost slightly blurry, but you can definitely see it's the same guy, right? Guys, this is for you. Come and join me for a cup of tea and a Gucci cookie. There's definitely a buttery flavour to that. They smell absolutely delicious. It has a super luscious buttery smell. I can't smell anything floral, which is what you might expect from the Flora design, but it smells absolutely delicious. I can't wait to eat this. Did you hear that snap? Look how thick that icing is. Mmm. 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 It's absolutely delicious. It's very buttery, but then when you bite into it, you do get that citrus flavor, which is very subtle, but it's definitely there. The vanilla rings through, and the whole thing just crumbles into your mouth, just delicious. And the icing on the top gives it a really nice sugary punch, and it's just well balanced and perfectly made. It's a really decent shortbread cookie. I'm enjoying it. Mmm. 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 I could eat the whole packet. Mmm. 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 Mm. Oh. I don't want to eat it because I don't want it to end. Let's hear the snap again, shall we? Look how crumbly it is. Mmm. Gucci. As you can see, I absolutely demolished that cookie, and I had a great time doing it too. But at 35 euros for this small little tin, is it really worth it? I'll be honest, you can probably find really decent shortbread cookies in your local bakery for a lot cheaper than that. But having said that, this was a very enjoyable experience. The icing for me added that little bit of sweetness that really elevated the shortbread experience. The design was fantastic. It was like having a little piece of art on your plate. But 35 euros? Well, look, if you need to give a gift for someone and they love Gucci, I think 35 euros for these cookies is a nice gift. I think they will really appreciate it. And for me, I really enjoyed the experience of tasting what Gucci is like. As I said before, I'm a big Gucci fan. My business is all about selling Gucci. I have a vestiaire shop that sells only Guccis. So for me, the experience was fantastic and it was definitely worth the price. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to support the channel, and I'll look forward to welcoming you back again next time.